तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? वह क्या लिख रहा है? What is he writing? What is he writing? तुम क्यों परेशान हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? मीटिंग कब शुरू होगी? When will the meeting start? When will the meeting start? यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? तुम क्यों देर से आए? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? तुम कब सोते हो? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? वे क्या खेल रहे हैं? What are they playing? What are they playing? वह क्यों रो रही है? Why is she crying? Why is she crying? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did he say that? Why did he say that? बारिश कब रुकेगी? When will the rain stop? When will the rain stop? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बच्चे क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं? Why are the children shouting? Why are the children shouting? ट्रेन कब आएगी? When will the train arrive? When will the train arrive? तुम क्या सीखना चाहते हो? What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn? वह क्यों नाराज है? Why is he angry? Why is he angry? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? वे क्या खरीद रहे हैं? What are they buying? What are they buying? तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Why did you not come? Why did you not come? स्कूल कब खुलेगा? When will the school open? When will the school open? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? वह क्यों मुस्कुरा रही है? Why is she smiling? Why is she smiling? तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? तुम क्यों भाग रहे हो? Why are you running? Why are you running? खाना कब तैयार होगा? When will the food be ready? When will the food be ready? वह क्या बोल रहा है? What is he saying? What is he saying? तुम क्यों चुप हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? तुम कब निकलोगे? When will you leave? When will you leave? वे क्या देख रहे हैं? What are they watching? What are they watching? तुम क्यों डर रहे हो? Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid? परीक्षा कब होगी? When will the exam be held? When will the exam be held? तुम क्या बनाना चाहते हो? What do you want to make? What do you want to make? वह क्यों हंस रही है? Why is she laughing? Why is she laughing? तुम कब घर जाओगे? When will you go home? When will you go home? तुम क्या सुन रहे हो? What are you listening to? What are you listening to? वे क्यों लड़ रहे हैं? Why are they fighting? Why are they fighting? तुम कब जागते हो? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? वह क्या पूछ रहा है? What is he asking? What is he asking? तुम क्यों उदास हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? बस कब आएगी? When will the bus arrive? When will the bus arrive? तुम क्या पहनना चाहते हो? What do you want to wear? What do you want to wear? वह क्यों भाग गई? Why did she run away? Why did she run away? तुम कब खाना खाते हो? When do you eat food? When do you eat food? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? वे क्यों इंतजार कर रहे हैं? Why are they waiting? Why are they waiting? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? वह क्या बना रही है? What is she making? What is she making? तुम क्यों खुश हो? Why are you happy? Why are you happy? छुट्टी कब शुरू होगी? When will the vacation start? When will the vacation start? तुम क्या सीख रहे हो? What are you learning? What are you learning? वह क्यों सो रहा है? Why is he sleeping? Why is he sleeping? तुम कब तैयार होगे? When will you be ready? When will you be ready? वे क्या चर्चा कर रहे हैं? What are they discussing? What are they discussing? तुम क्यों हड़बड़ी में हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? कार्यक्रम कब शुरू होगा? When will the program begin? When will the program begin?